Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on sharing with our group companies on Kayak application. So how to turn on sharing with our group companies notification on Kayak application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Kayak app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Kayak app. Next, tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Tap Account menu. Tap Data Sharing. And tap Sharing with our group companies. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on sharing with our group companies on Kayak app. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.